Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect pie crust for pumpkin pie. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of very cold unsalted butter, about 1/2 cup of ice water, and a teaspoon of salt. The key to a flaky crust is keeping everything cold, especially that butter. Cut your butter into small, half-inch cubes and place it back in the refrigerator until you are ready to use it. This preparation ensures a successful start. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Then, add the cold, cubed butter. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, quickly cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse meal with some pea-sized butter pieces remaining. This step is crucial for flakiness. Next, add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently after each addition. You'll likely need about 6 to 8 tablespoons of water in total. Stop mixing as soon as the dough forms a shaggy ball. Once your dough is mixed, divide it into 2 equal halves. Gently flatten each half into a disc shape, then wrap them tightly in plastic wrap. This prevents drying and allows the gluten to relax. Place the wrapped discs in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes. Chilling is vital. It firms up the butter and makes the dough easier to handle. When ready, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Take 1 disc and roll it out evenly into a 12-inch circle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. This size is perfect for a standard 9-inch pie plate. With your dough rolled, it's time to transfer it to your pie plate. Carefully drape the dough over your rolling pin, then unroll it gently into a 9-inch pie plate. Press it lightly into the bottom and sides without stretching. Next, trim the excess dough, leaving about a 1-inch overhang around the entire rim of the plate. This extra dough gives you room to create a beautiful edge. Fold the 1-inch overhang under itself, creating a thicker border. Finally, crimp the edges decoratively using your fingers or a fork. Your perfect pie crust is now ready for filling and baking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.